Let me now share a bit of information with you, which is very important, very important. And this I am saying to people in Pakistan, so that एक होती है ना, इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं, जो आप लोग शायद नहीं करते, मगर जैसे हिंदी में कहते हैं आत्मचिंतन, आत्मचिंतन, इंट्रोस्पेक्शन, सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन. हमारे सनातन धर्म में इसको सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन कहते हैं, मेडिटेशन, ताकि यू आर स्पिरिचुअली पावरफुल. अभी पाकिस्तानियों को आत्मचिंतन करने की जरूरत है. एंड व्यू पीपल इन पाकिस्तान, प्लीज
मैं एक बात बताऊं,
मेरी बात सुन लीजिए. इरशाद जी, मैं आपको ऐसे इतनी बुरी तरह से आपको अटैक कर सकता हूं कि आप चुप हो जाएंगे. 2 मिनट रुक जाइए. मैं आपको आत्मचिंतन करते हुए एक तथ्य को, जैसे तथ्य मीन्स हिंदी में फैक्ट शेयर करना चाहता हूं. यू नो, the fact is this. The most organized industry in Pakistan is today the begging industry. The begging industry employs 38 million beggars. पाकिस्तान में 38 मिलियन यानी कि 3.8 करोड़ भिखारी हैं. एंड ये इंडस्ट्री कितनी बड़ी है आपको मैं समझाता हूं.
What's the source? What's the source?
Yeah, I am telling you this. This is a well-known fact. It's a big organized business.
It's not well-known fact.
Yeah, it is a well-known fact. I am quoting the Economic Times. I'm quoting the Economic Times, which says that betting is a big organized. You are sure shocked. मैं जानता, मुझे पता था आप shocked होंगे. You listen to now. Listen to me. Listen to me.
It's owned by Srivastava.
The lack of jobs and high inflation push a number of the poor into begging. In a country with 230 million people, there are 38 million beggars, with an average daily amount a beggar collects is 2,000 rupees in Karachi, 1,400 in Lahore, 950 rupees in Islamabad. This was reported in the Dawn newspaper, the Dawn newspaper of Pakistan. Pakistan Dawn newspaper has said average amount every bhikhari gets is 850, right? And the total GDP of Pakistan, out of that 12% is the bhikhari or begging industry. The total value of the extraction of the begging industry is $42 billion. 42 billion is the bhikhari industry. The biggest single industry in Pakistan is the begging industry. Viewers, this is the biggest industry of Pakistan is Bheek Mangna.
Arnab, you're a seasoned journalist.
Very seasoned.
Tell me what kind of news outlet comes with these kind of numbers?
Dawn of Pakistan.
But I tell you,
the Dawn of Pakistan has said that you have a very large begging industry. You should be proud. We have a space industry. You have a begging industry. We have a semiconductor industry. You have a begging industry. We have an AI industry. You have a begging industry. We have a media industry. You have a begging industry. You should be proud. There are 38 million beggars employed in the business of begging in Pakistan.
The biggest worry for me is the kind of comments which are being made to me are from someone who's sitting in India. India is the same country that is still being considered as the 80 million Indians. They are still living $1.25 a day. India is that country, and that India is actually coming up with these kind of slurs, with these kind of comments on me. I won't allow India to do that.
42 billion
what we spend or
42 billion इतनी बड़ी begging industry है. In fact, I'll tell you, Raja, I want to tell you some more things. Listen to me, Raja. आपकी क्या कंगाल हालत है, आपकी कितनी बेइज्जती ग्लोबली हो चुकी है. आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए कि सऊदी अरब ने पाकिस्तान को वार्निंग दी है, और ये बहुत बड़ी रिपोर्ट है कि आप भिखारियों का एक्सपोर्ट बंद करें. उसके बाद पाकिस्तान ने 4,300 भिखारियों को एग्जिट कंट्रोल लिस्ट में डाली है और नो फ्लाई लिस्ट. दिस मूव इज टू प्रिवेंट पाकिस्तानीज फ्रॉम मिसयूजिंग उमरा एंड हज वीजाज फॉर बेगिंग इन मक्का और मदीना. लोग हज करने जाते हैं मक्का मदीना, आप लोग वहां पे भीख मांगने जाते हैं. ये तो पब्लिश रिपोर्ट्स है.
Arnab, let me tell you.
No, I'm saying
It's not
you're
only
gone,
Pakistanis,
Pak
it has nothing to do with the
gone, ladies.
nationality.
Open